Hi, everyone. I am also going to share screen if I can. There we go. And we're going to get to there. I think what we want the new partners, you new partners, to realize and kind of think through as a process. The field and History Colorado went through this 2 years ago when we started this project, but basically thinking about what kinds of digital resources you have. And it doesn't have to be the collection. As a museum or an educational cultural institution, those even living collections can be a unique resource that we have that we can provide. So that's an obvious choice. But there are other resources that you have that you may not realize you can take advantage of. So we went through this process, April and I, for History Colorado specifically, and this document is in the outline linked, as well as the next step that Vicki will be talking about. But just to show as a specific example of what we went through for what we had, just in realizing what we could use for MDL, in addition to collections. So there are collections resources, there are educational resources, but you can even think of exhibit resources, interpretive resources. So this list is an example of, we have online exhibits. So that has interpretive material as well as educational material. That was an obvious choice for us to be able to use to then tweak to put into MDL. We have documentaries that we have partnered with PBS and other institutions to create. Videos make excellent resources. And to think, the other thing to point out too is that we want a variety of formats. So we're talking about collections, items, archive items, artifacts, photographs, audio material, video material, PDFs, instructional items. A lot of things can be input and put in for different formats. But obviously we have links to our records in various databases that are online. We have YouTube videos that we've created either for programs, instructions, exhibits. We're also able to link through Vimeo as well. Website info, and even just to show, so website text, website narrative, instructional, these are educational biographies that are on our website. We have used some of those. Those are optional, or those are available for us to use. Oral histories, the audio, as well as the transcripts. Like I said, website information, other links to database, finding aids for collections, but we've even gone as far as using text from exhibit labels and exhibit graphics and panels, because those make great additions and information to add to the database. So just be creative. Think about what you have that's already available that you can use, because I am sure that you have a plethora of materials available to you that would definitely be adequate and a good source to use for the MDL platform. Vicki, I think, is next to talk about what to do once you've identified those resources and how to plug those into templates and then get them into MDL.